What's good everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XSC Tunes. In this video I'm gonna share with you guys Sampler Track's secret. Alright, this is one of the coolest things that we can do in Sampler Track. I'm so sorry guys, it's raining right now, so if you guys hear noise in the background, please forgive me. Alright, so just try to ignore those noises in the background. So it's heavy rain right now, but I want to make this video for you guys. I want to share this to all of you, right? So without further ado, let's jump right in. I've made a simple beat for the purpose of this video, so I'm going to play it for you. Okay, so these drum tracks are made with Sampler Track. So these are the hi-hat, snares, and this is a kick actually, the snare and the hi-hat. Alright, okay, I'm gonna double click and open the editor. Okay, now I'm in the key editor, right? I can see all these hi-hat notes. I'm gonna play this hi-hat. So it's kind of like a bouncy rhythm for this hi-hat, and I want to create a panning effect for these three notes, right? So I want left, right, and center. So usually you can also do this thing using the panning controller right down here, but there's another way that you can use, which is the note expression. Okay, so if you want to open the note expression editor, you can just go here and click on this note and just double click on it, and it will open up the note expressions editor. But if you can't open it, you can come here and just check this box, make sure to check this, and you can open the editor. But if you don't have this checked, it will kind of delete the note, so we don't want that, right? So I'm gonna go bring it up to the left, okay? And this one right here, I want to bring this down to the right. This one I want to keep it in the center, so I'm gonna hit play again. Okay, let me just increase the velocity so you can hear it better. Okay. And best part of doing this way is you can actually bring these notes to anywhere else, and you can keep those panning properties, right? So let me just change this note and put it here. I'm gonna bring this one to here. Okay, so I'm gonna hit play again. Okay, so that was a nice rhythm, and I may want to keep that, right? Okay, let's hear the full beat now. You can actually pretty much do this to anything. I like to use this technique on hi-hat rolls, on vocal chop. Yeah, vocal chop is really cool. I can do a lot of other parameters which is available in the note expression here. I can kind of mess around with the tuning, the volume, and so on, right? So this is really one of the cool functions that I like to play with. So go ahead and use this on your next project, next songs. I'm sure this is gonna be interesting way of working with the panning when it comes to Sampler Track. Alright, so I hope you find this video helpful. If you guys did, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, and smash the like button and share this video to everybody. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you all in the next video.